Are you looking for a fun, inexpensive way to attract your ideal clients? Then you need to start a Facebook group. In this video, we are going to discuss why you should use a Facebook group to grow your business. Hi, I'm Jenny Wadier, social media expert with Momentum Virtual. We help business owners leverage the power of social media marketing to grow their business, and Facebook groups are a great way to accomplish that goal. Groups are great at bringing together people with similar interests. Pages and groups are different on Facebook. Your business page is kind of like your profile page, but a group is your community where you and your group members can interact. So, we are going to go through 5 reasons why you should create a Facebook group for your business. And make sure to stick around to the end because I will also give you 3 tips that you can use to help your Facebook group grow. So, how do groups help grow your business? Point number 1, a Facebook group gives you a direct connection with your ideal client. Groups don't just allow you to post content for your audience to see, it allows your audience to post content for you to see. So they are an incredible way to get direct feedback from your audience. They also help to create real relationships, not only between you and your audience, but between different members of your audience. You start to create this community of like-minded people that love what you have to say and love being around each other. Point number 2, Facebook groups build trust. Creating connection in the group builds a level of trust you don't get from a Facebook page. A Facebook group is a place for you to be real and to interact with your audience regularly. They get to see a side of you that the rest of the internet doesn't. This makes them feel special. Even if there are 100,000 people in this group, they're going to feel like you're speaking directly to them. Interacting in the group and providing value in this way will strengthen the trust your clients have in you. Point number 3, announce your offers. In a Facebook group, you have a captive audience of your ideal clients who can be the first venue to announce new offers. These are people who have not only opted into your world, but are regularly seeing and interacting with your content. If done well, this is a gathering of raving fans who are ready to buy anything you give them. Reason number 4, social proof. Encourage your audience to post their aha moments or their experience with your product. Encourage them to talk about how your products and services have helped them with their struggles. Ask them to take pictures with your product as part of a giveaway. The more people see your audience raving about your products and services, the more highly you will be seen and the more you'll be able to sell. And number 5, fear of missing out. FOMO is a marketing tactic that works wonders. When promoting something in your group, your message should trigger your audience's fear that if they don't act, they will be missing out. Other group members can elevate this fear as they post about purchasing your offer or receiving your product. You can also create an offer that is open to the group for only a limited amount of time before it goes public. This makes people feel like if they buy it now, they will be in the elite, the pioneers of your new product. A Facebook group can be public or private. Both of these groups can be searched for on Facebook. In a private group, you can't see the members or what's posted unless the owner of the group gives you access to it. So, those are 5 reasons why you should start a Facebook group for your business. But what can you do to make sure your Facebook group is successful? Well, here are 3 tips you can use to grow your Facebook group. Number 1, be active. Facebook rewards content creators that are actively posting. Not only that, but your audience doesn't want to be a part of a dead Facebook group. So as long as you are being consistent with your posting, you are going to experience consistent growth. Number 2, go live. Not only do people love watching videos live, Facebook adores live videos. So the more you go live, the more Facebook is going to promote your group. And point number 3, don't be afraid to share about it. Don't treat this like some super secret that you have to hide away in the closet for fear of somebody finding out. No, tell everybody about it. All your other social medias, to your email list, everywhere you can share about it, share it. If you want more tips on how to market your business through social media, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thanks for watching. We hope this helps keep your momentum going.